Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilots YouTube channel. And as you can see, I'm in a new facility walking there, and there's a story behind that, so stay tuned for a bit more fun and info.
We would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
So as you can see, some familiar faces in there. Mo, my therapist, is behind me, and Nicole is walking ahead of me, keeping track of everything. But I'm at a new facility, and that's because, quite frankly, we ran out of insurance that would pay for therapy, and we still have more of the year to go, and I wanted to continue. So we're at a place called NeuroFit. We're going to be working on some other things, stretching and limbering and cardiovascular. So that's where I am, September 28th. I had a busy day. NeuroFit, exercising, Project Tiger video, and folks, we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman.